GEVO stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Gevo stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief, short 1-minute video. Ultimately, looking at Gevo, man, like 6% correction is something. Because it was in a supply zone, I was like, okay, at the time, if I see a double break, I'm willing to take it down. I never saw the double break, and only now it's actually giving me something, you know. Just say it, like this is sort of a fake out, and it just failed to break even higher. Now, what I'm looking at here is a solid bearish market for sure. It's just that I'm not gonna sell it, you know. Although it's going down, like it's really not something that I'll just immediately jump in on the sell. Well, maybe the price kind of goes up and gives me a shift, then yeah, sure. But like randomly selling me, it's not gonna be happening, right? Timing must be OP as well, overpowered. So stay tuned. If you want to get my money making emails and insights for free plus stock picks, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.